Hello friends, get ready for progressive dictation. Okay, start. Sir, the fundamental question in the operation of this scheme is that the workers for whom the scheme works have no voice in the running of the corporation or of the scheme. Sir, the recent bill suggests that the advisory boards will be in charge and there will be 4 to 5 workers representatives included. But sir, actually the workers have no say in the functioning or working of the corporation. Sir, in an article recently published, the nomenclature of the State Employees Insurance Scheme was substituted for Employees State Insurance Scheme. It is known as Employees State Insurance Scheme and it was termed as State Employees Insurance Scheme because it is functioning under the state. And therefore, if this is the condition of the employees, I think it is high time that the Labour Ministry would work further on the recommendations of those two committees and on the experience of the employees, particularly in the urban areas and also the rural areas, and make it more effective. I would like to mention one or two things about the actual sections which to my mind are anti-labor and anti-worker. As pointed out by Mr. Ghosh, I want to reiterate about section 63. The original section 63 is to be substituted by the new section, and I feel the provision which says benefit for temporary disablement on any day on which he works or remains on leave or on a holiday in respect of which he receives wages or on any day on which he remains on strike is anti-worker and anti-labor. I certainly do not subscribe to this view. Strike is a legitimate right of a worker, and to include strike in this new section to my mind is anti-worker and anti-labor. You now see section 86A. You would find that the new bill has become so liberal with respect to the employers when it says if he proves that the offense was committed without his knowledge or that he exercised all due diligence to prevent the commission of such offense, he is pardoned. Why should the employer be pardoned even if the act was committed without his knowledge? He is responsible. On the one hand, you are being liberal to the employers, and on the other hand, you are going against the interest of the workers. These two sections are totally against the interest of the workers. I feel if the bill is meant for the workers and employees, it should be totally for the workers and the employees and not take sides against the labor and in favor of employers. Stop. If you like this dictation, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.